And then for the new people here, I'll go over a few things on it. It is manual swapped. My old transmission was going out, so I wanted to try a manual, and I love it. It's better, way better in my opinion. Go back, I did put a double din in it. Custom rock sliders, built by me and my buddy in El Paso. Same with the bumper, built in El Paso. 5.9 grill, Mustang hood vents, dual rate coilovers. I think these are Bilstein shocks that extend to like 13 inches or something like that. They have a 13 inches of travel. Hydro assist, over the axle track bar brace, WJ knuckles. I just welded sway bar mounts. The axle does have a truss on it. C gussets. Let's see. The rear ain't too exciting. Just a 8.8 with a diff cover with gears and lockers. 513s. Custom bumper that built in El Paso as well. I got this from my motor pool. It's off of a Humvee. Nice bumper. I actually put this on my flatbed and I pulled it with this. Yeah, dumb, but it worked. This didn't break, give at all, so that's good. Found this one day scrolling Facebook, a rare option from the 90s, a spoiler. And yeah, armor, 38 rail bead locks. These shocks, I think they're like 14 inches of travel. 3.5 XJ coils in the rear with a 1.5 inch spacer. And then just some NRG seats. And yeah, I wouldn't say it's basic, but it's damn close to basic. I mean, it's not tons and 40s and shit, but it gets the job done.